Design Thinking, lecture number 11. The theme of the lecture is Startup Projects. According to the plan of our lecture, we are going to discuss the following questions. The first, what is startup? Second, startup creation scheme. The third, 6 simple tips to enhance project management performance. Let's start with the first definition. What is a startup? A startup is a young company founded by 1 or 2 entrepreneurs to develop a unique product or service and bring it to market. But by its nature, the typical startup tends to be a shoestring operation with initial funding from the founders or their friends and families. Startup project management is a crucial part of business continuity. Running a company is a project in itself, as are the various moving parts that makes a business successful. How to create a startup? As we all may have already known, any startup begins with an idea. If you have an idea, it means that the first stage has been completed successfully. However, we must understand that the idea is not as simple as it may seem, whether it is related to founding a new cool international dating sites or working on something completely different. Some of your ideas may be just thoughts or dreams that will be hard to implement into life. Until you realize at least how the concept will work, the end result, and some main principles, your idea is just an obsessive drive. Any thought still needs to be turned into an idea. The line between idea and thought is very thin. To an inexperienced person, it is not visible. As a result, many startups stumble over this barrier. Very often they invest a lot of effort and money in the idea, but for a long time they cannot get the result and they lose heart. It seems to them that they are not capable to create a startup. In fact, the problem is not in them, but in the fact that the necessary tools were not used. One of these tools is the startup telegram. This is a special program that calculates the success of your concept. With the help of telegram, you can formulate a full-fledged idea and move on to the next steps. And remember that there are so many things that still haven't been invented. Just think about what you lack in regular life or what you know the best, and that will make a perfect startup idea. How to choose an idea for a startup? Since you have an idea and you worked on it without telegram, in this case it is highly advisable to audit it and determine whether you have an idea or a thought. If it turns out that you have that rare case when there is an idea, not a thought, it is advisable to test it and know your target audience. Testing will determine the relevance of the idea. Many startups fall through because of this. After a complete idea has been formed, its materialization gradually takes place, or in other words, the embodiment happens. For example, you heard something interesting, forgot it, and then remembered, but it seemed to you that this is your brilliant idea, which moreover has long been realized by others. You can certainly try to implement it better than others and intercept customers. On the contrary, the idea may be ahead of time. In this case, it will be very difficult and sometimes impossible to promote. People just cannot understand you and they will think that you have mental problems. The third level of making your startup a real project is giving it a name. It is very important to give the right one which will correspond to the idea underlying it. Startup creation scheme. After the startup gets its name, you need to clearly formulate its concept. The concept of a startup is the second level of implementation of idea. It is clear that here everything has been done correctly and corresponding to the idea. If it is not so, then it is the subsequent stage that will be many problems. There will be many problems, the solution of which will take a lot of money and time. When there is a clear and full-fledged concept that corresponds to the idea underlying it, you can proceed to the third level of the embodiment of the idea. The third level of implementation of the idea is the development of a startup project. The startup project is a detailed plan in which the idea of a startup should be as detailed as possible. It is necessary to indicate how the idea will be implemented, what is necessary for its implementation, what specialists will be needed, what technologies are needed, and so on. In fact, the project is a kind of a blueprint of a startup based on which you can then create a startup itself. The project of the startup, as well as its name and concept, must also correspond to the idea. Everything it is in it must be thought out as much as possible and to the smallest details in order to work perfectly. If there is no compliance with the idea, or if it is minimal carrying out the final stage of creating a startup will fail. How to run a startup? After there is a quality project, you can proceed to a testamentary level of realization of the idea, the creation of the startup itself based on all that has been done before. And if we are talking about a product, a sample of this product is created. If you are talking about a service, the first such service is provided. When it comes to a site, a sample site is created. When the sample is created, it is necessary to conduct testing to remove all the roughness that can spoil the impression of potential customers. You can use various methods of testing. Ask your friends and independent specialists to your product. When you have perfected the product to the fullest, the creation of a startup can be considered completely. As you can see, the startup is something you should deal with gradually and be attentive. If you stick to the proposed scheme, everything will work out. Now that you have an idea and you know how to create a startup, you can proceed to the next steps. However, always remember that creating a startup is not a pump. After the startup is created, a new stage begins: promotion of the startup. In case of questions both during the creation and promotion of a startup, you can always get a private consultation in order to solve them. There are 6 simple tips that will enhance your project management performance. The first, get organized, communicate well. Second, planning is a must. Third, execution, stay true to the plan. The third, measurement and accountability. Number 5, cost and quality management. The 6 is high-performing team, successful businesses. Thank you very much for your attention.